This is a brand that has had star power across the globe, a brand that a lot of us have dreamt of owning over the years, and some of you lucky ones may already own one of these cars. But if you don't, and you are wondering how to achieve your dream of buying into brand Mercedes-Benz, well, you need to watch this video. Mercedes-Benz knows that many aspire to buy their cars, but they are unsure of how to go about it. Well, let me tell you how you can buy your Mercedes your way with Wishbox. How, what, when, where? Well, let me tell you. With Wishbox, Mercedes-Benz is aiming to provide specific financial solutions for their ever-evolving consumers so that they can empower them to fulfill their own dreams of owning a Mercedes-Benz. Now, this is possible with Star Agility Plus, which aims at providing you a guaranteed future value so that you can get 50% lower EMI. Well, let's say you're a businessman, your business is thriving, and you decide you want to achieve that dream and go out and buy the GLA, which is approximately 50 lakh of rupees. Well, you can achieve that dream, but say you suddenly have some unexpected expenses or you want to streamline your cash flow, well, you can avail of a 3-month EMI holiday before starting to pay off your loan by paying just 1,000 rupees a month for that tenure. And you can still avail of all the depreciation benefits in that time. So let's say you just got that promotion and you decide to reward yourself by buying your very first Mercedes-Benz. Yes, you decide to buy the A-Class and you decide on an EMI. Well, it's never been easier because you can step up and step into the world of Mercedes. What does Step Up allow you? Well, it allows you to step up your EMI repayments in increasing steps of 10,000 rupees annually as you get your increments at work. Well, let me give you an example. Say you pay 39,000 rupees in the first year, you can pay 49 in the second year and 59,000 rupees in the third year as you get your increments. So Mercedes-Benz actually makes it very flexible for you to own your dream car and even guarantees you a residual value after. Now, what if you don't want to avail of Step Up or EMI holidays? Well, there is another benefit I can tell you about. Now, say you've decided to buy this because it has been your dream car for a while, but you don't want to really dip heavily into your wallet. Well, you can buy it at a very moderate installment of about 58,000 rupees per month. But here's the benefit. Well, with easy annual benefit, what you can do is actually pay off a lump sum amount of about 10 times the value of your EMI, whatever you may choose it to be. Now, this is better than most banks offer you. Well, as you can see, there is a personalized and innovative financial solution for every kind of customer. Now, this Step Up, EMI holiday or easy annual benefit is available with the A-Class, the C-Class, the GLA, the GLC and the E-Class. In addition to that, you can avail of Star Finance, which gives you the ability to have payment plans up to 7 years. With an EMI starting at 60,000 rupees. Well, if you've been dreaming, it's time for those dreams to come true. It's as easy as going to your nearest Mercedes-Benz franchise partner or logging into the website for you to fulfill your dream of owning a Mercedes-Benz.